This kit is a fantastic starter in targeting adult acne. The reality is that breakouts can extend past our teenage years and continue making their appearance well into our adult years. With age, not only do we have concerns about these breakouts, we also have concerns about aging, and this is where Dermalogica active clearing products will target both of these concerns. The Active Clearing Kit contains highly active ingredients to clear breakouts, smooth the skin and brighten your skin tone. 3 targeted products to reduce blemishes and breakouts while minimising fine lines and wrinkles. Let's take a look at each. Daily Microfoliant polishes your skin and instantly leaves your skin noticeably smoother. It works to help balance uneven pigmentation for a more even complexion, and for most skins is gentle enough for daily use. Age Bright Clearing Serum works as an active, highly concentrated and brightening clearing serum. It's fantastic for congestion and blackheads, and it accelerates cell turnover to promote a brighter, more even skin tone, reducing visible signs of premature aging. Your skin will be left smooth and hydrated. Age Bright Spot Fader is a 2-in-1 brightening spot treatment that reduces the appearance of breakouts, at the same time reducing the post-breakout marks. You will apply this as soon as you feel a breakout start to form and continue using it until the breakout has gone. These 3 products work in synergy to target clearing the breakouts and helping reduce the visible signs of aging. For more information on the active clearing products from Dermalogica, or if you need any guidance and advice about your skin, please visit our website and click on Advice.